An accused assassin wants a jury to hear his case. Vance Boelter pleaded not guilty today in federal court to 6 counts related to the lawmaker attacks. Our Caroline Cummings explains why his case may not go to trial for 2 years.
We're here today because an unspeakable tragedy has unfolded in Minnesota.
The assassination of former House Speaker Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark and attempted killing of Senator John Hoffman and his wife Yvette on June 14th sent shockwaves across Minnesota and the country. Prosecutors say it was 58-year-old Vance Boelter who wore a mask and posed as a cop before committing those crimes. On Thursday, he pleaded not guilty in a federal courtroom in a yellow jumpsuit, orange sweatshirt, and expressionless look on his face as the judge read aloud the 6 federal counts against him, including murder and stalking. Prosecutors said there is an enormous amount of information related to the case, tens of thousands of pages of documents and hundreds of gigabytes of digital files. The judge granted the prosecution's motion to designate it a, quote, complex case because of the sheer amount of evidence that both the government and defense will need to review. That means the speedy trial requirements don't apply.
But this political assassination, the likes of which have never occurred here in the state of Minnesota, has shook our state at a foundational level.
No trial date has been set, but acting U.S. Attorney Joe Thompson told reporters it could be in 2027. Inside the courtroom on Thursday was DFL State Representative Ginny Cleavorn, who told me after court adjourned that she believes that the victims need to be at the center of this. She says that's why she showed up, to support her friends and colleagues, the Hortmans and the Hoffmans. In Minneapolis, Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
The court did not set a deadline for the government to decide if it will seek the death penalty. That decision rests with the U.S. Attorney General.